Hey guys, this is Martin again from Series Z. I'm going to show you guys a really cool product here. This here is a battery pack specifically designed for the anyDMX module, wireless DMX antenna here that we sell. So this anyDMX is super cool, works very well, but the only downside to it is that you need an AC power to plug in the power supply to power this little guy up. And that's fine if you have, you know, an AC outlet close by, but if you're in an installation where you have a bunch of fixtures in line and there's power going from one to the other, and it just becomes very inconvenient to power a wireless system up like this, we have created this battery pack here that will solve all of your issues. This cool little battery pack, it's not just a regular battery pack. I mean, it's regulated to 5 volts to work with the anyDMX. It's a 2-cell lithium polymer pack, but it also has protection module in there. It's a low voltage cutoff, and what it does is it protects the battery from over discharging. So you can leave it plugged in and forget about it, and this module will keep it from over discharging, and it'll actually open up the circuit and it won't drain the batteries all the way down. So you'll be able to charge them up every time. It also comes with a cool little fuel gauge here. Each one of the little LEDs you see represents 20% charge. There's 5 of them. Right now we've only got 4 because it's not fully charged, but each one of them is 20%, so 5 of them is 100, 4 of them is 80, so on and so forth. So you get the idea. And the other amazing thing about this pack is that it could actually run for at least 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours. So you could just plug it in and leave it running, and it'll either transmit or receive for about 24 hours. It's very efficient, very cool to use, and you know, it's a cool tool or a cool accessory for a setup. So this will actually solve some issues that you guys may be having right now. It just makes setup more convenient, easier, less time, less cables, and all that. And you could actually Velcro this to a fixture or anywhere where it becomes convenient. So we're also going to sell chargers for these. You could buy a regular plug-and-play charger that you just plug it in and forget about it. About an hour later, it'll be charged. And we're also going to have smart chargers that you can plug them in and select the charge current and all that, and they'll charge it in 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to demonstrate you guys how this works. So here we have an LED contour R2. This could represent your DMX fixture, right? So let's say you have power for the fixture, but for whatever reason it's inconvenient to get AC power for your anyDMX. So this is your fixture, everything's hooked up. So what we're gonna do, just plug in over here, then we plug this side here, which already comes soldered and all that. Okay, and then all we do is plug in over here. And there you have it, guys. We have a computer across the room running a DMX RGB show, and it's getting the signal, getting the power from here. And like I said, this little battery pack will run for at least 24 hours. So it gives you plenty of time to leave it up and, you know, mounted in a truss or whatever. So like I said, very cool, very efficient, very small, very lightweight. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please drop us a comment there in the YouTube comment box. Also, don't forget to check out our website at series.com, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all for watching.